Good morning students. Today we'll be studying chapter 5 number of class 8. Definition. That form of noun words which help us in deciding whether the given noun is one or more in number. So, a word or symbol that represents an amount, a quantity and a quantity of people or things is supposed to be number. Numbers are of two types in English. First, singular number. Second, plural number. We'll be studying about singular number first. This form of noun indicates that the given thing or person is one. Example: boy, horse, chair, hand, etc. Second is plural number. This form of noun indicates that the given things or persons are more than one. Example: boys, horses, chairs, hands, etc. Now, let us study about what is rules of forming plural nouns from singular nouns. Rule number first. Normally, s is added in the end of singular nouns to make them plural. Example: boy makes boys, girl makes girls, etc. Rule number second. Generally, es is added after a singular nouns which end with s, ss, ch, sh, z, x to make them plural. Example: box makes boxes, bush makes bushes, and so on. Rule number third. S is added after such nouns which ends with y, and if there is any vowel from y, example: boy makes boys, monkey makes monkeys. Rule number fourth. When there is y in the end of a singular noun and any consonant before y, then y is replaced by I and es is added to make plural nouns. For example, baby makes babies, city makes cities. Rule number 5. The end letters f or fe are replaced by ves while forming plural. Example: calf makes calves, knife makes knives. To note, there are some exceptions when f or fe are not replaced and only s is added after them. For example, chief makes chiefs, roof makes roofs. As you can see, these are not replaced by ves. Instead, s is added in the end of them. Rule number 6. The singular nouns having o in their end take up es in their end to form plural forms. For example, hero makes heroes, tomato makes tomatoes. Note, but only s will be added after such words which are either abbreviations or exogenous origin words containing o in their end. For example, kilo makes kilos, photo makes photos. Rule number 7. Some singular nouns are made plural by simply changing the vowels present in them. For example, man makes man, tooth makes teeth. Rule number 8. Some words are made plural by adding en or ren in their singular forms. For example, ox makes oxen, children makes children. Rule number 9. Compound nouns are made plural generally by making last word plural. For example, stepson makes stepsons. But in compound noun, if man or woman word is joined with some other word, then both the words are made plural to make the whole word plural. For example, man worker, man workers. If the compound noun is in the form of noun plus preposition plus noun, then first noun word is made plural to make the whole compound word plural. For example, father-in-law makes fathers-in-law. Rule number 10. Some nouns remain same in singular as well as in plural forms. For example, deer makes deer, fish makes fish. Rule number 11. The singular and plural forms of pronouns are of following types: I, we, he, she, it, they, me, us, him, her, them, my, our, her, his, their, himself, herself, themselves, myself, ourselves, yourself, yourselves. Now, plural forms of some important words: hoof makes hoops, city makes cities, wall makes walls, army makes armies, sword makes swords, engineer makes engineers, house makes houses, problem makes problems, arrow makes arrows, way makes ways, train makes trains, journey makes journeys, and so on. You'll have to learn all of these.